The main challenge has always been to reduce or eliminate reactive maintenance. There are several interconnected challenges where one defect affects the entire operation. The main issue is finding that right balance between performance, reliability, and cost. For example, you install a new gear or a new pinion on an old gear, and in theory, the new gear set should last for many, many years, and somewhere down the line, let's say the lubricant isn't performing as expected, the spray system malfunctions, then you have misalignment issues, increased vibrations, high temperatures across the tooth flanks, and then something breaks. And it's a costly break. And now you're in that reactive mode, and it's not a comfortable place to be. What if you could avoid all that? And this is why Daylog and Kluber Lubrication have decided to join forces and combine the use of a superior lubricant and installing Daylog's monitoring sensors to help that transition from reactive to a prescriptive maintenance program.